Creating contact groups on your iPhone helps organize contacts for easier communication, like group invites or trip discussions. Contact groups also allow members to reach you even in Do Not Disturb mode, making communication more convenient. Follow our guide to easily create contact groups on your iPhone. Method 1. Create contact groups on iPhone using iCloud. Step 1. Go to Settings, tap your name, select iCloud, and toggle on Contacts. Step 2. Visit iCloud in a browser. Sign in, tap the plus symbol in Contacts, and choose New Group. Step 3. Drag and drop contacts into the new group using a Mac CM key or Windows Control key. Step 4. Open Messages and type the group name to start a chat. Send a message to check if it's working. Method 2. Create a group in Contacts on iPhone with Contact Groups app. This app can help you make contact groups on an iPhone and manage contacts easily. Step 1. Install the Contacts Group application on your iPhone and open it as you grant the needed permissions. Now click on the plus icon from the upper right corner. Step 2. Type the group's name and click the Add Contacts button to add those contacts you want to the group. Then choose the specific contacts you wish to add to your group and click Save to save them. Step 3. Select the group to see the group details, send a text message or email, or share the group. Method 3. Create iPhone contact groups using Mac Contacts app. If you have a Mac, you can easily create contact groups using the built-in Contacts app. Step 1. Open the Contacts app on your Mac. Step 2. Click the plus button at the bottom left and select New Group. Step 3. Name the group. Step 4. Drag contacts from your contact list into the newly created group. Step 5. Your groups will automatically sync to your iPhone via iCloud, as long as iCloud Contacts is enabled on both devices. Method 4. Make contact groups on iPhone manually for email. To create a contact group for email on iPhone, ensure your device is updated to iOS 16 or later. The contacts have email addresses, and Contacts is enabled in iCloud. Once you're set, follow these steps. Step 1. Open the Contacts app on your iPhone. Tap All Contacts at the top left, then tap the plus icon at the bottom. Choose New Group. Step 2. Name your group and press Return on the keyboard. Tap All Contacts again and select the contacts to add. Step 3. Drag and drop the desired contacts into the group. Tap the group to confirm the correct contacts were added. You can also check this in the phone app under Contacts and then Groups. Step 4. Open the Mail app. Tap the new email icon in the bottom right corner and enter the contact group's name in the To field. Step 5. Select the group when prompted, then compose and send your email. Method 5. Create contact groups on iPhone using Coolmuster iOS Assistant. Coolmuster iOS Assistant is a professional iPhone contacts manager that lets you add contact groups from your computer. It offers features like editing, deleting, and exporting contacts, making it a safe and easy tool for managing contacts with just a few clicks. Step 1. After downloading Coolmuster iOS Assistant on the computer, install it. Use a USB cable to connect the iPhone to the same computer. Step 2. The software will detect the device automatically. Click on Trust if asked to trust the device to the computer. Afterward, tap the Continue icon to proceed further. The program will scan your iPhone data and list them by category. Step 3. Tap on the Contacts folder from the screen's left panel. Add new groups of your contacts to your iPhone by clicking on the plus button beside the groups icon. Then select and put your desired contacts into the group.